Hey, what's up? I'm with the fire department. We're here to check your smoke detector.
Hey.
I wanted to ask if you have an extra chair we could borrow.
Why do you need an extra chair?
911. I just got shot in my door.
Pick a different activity. Hey, please. Park. I don't know what you guys do for.
Challenge my friends to shoot up 20 college dorms to win $1,000. The catch is, I just called the cops. I want to report a crimes going on Eastern Ave. If they're able to do this before the cops get here, they win the money. If not, they stand a chance of possibly going to jail tonight.
Hey, please. Park.
With that being said, let the challenge begin. Here's the game plan. I'm gonna knock on people's doors asking to see their smoke detectors. Once they let me in, my friends are gonna come around behind me and shoot the out of their ear. Enjoy the video. Fire department. How you doing? I had to check your smoke detector.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, how you doing? Oh shit, it's coming. Let's get out of here, bro. Let's go upstairs.
Hey.
Fire department. Fire department. Hey, what's up? I'm with the fire department. We're here to check your smoke detector. Your guns are off.
Why ain't you show up? My two.
We gotta leave this spot real soon. Let me start through.
I got this nigga.
Let's go. Fire department. Fire department. Fire department. Alright. How you doing? I'm with the fire department. We're here to check your smoke detector. Can you give me a sec? Alright, cool.
No. When he opens the door.
My bad. We gotta get out of this building.
We should start running. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, we gotta get out of this building. Which way? You keep going. Come on.
All right, let's go.
Why would you see my government name? Damn, there's too many niggas, man. Fire department. How you doing? I'm with the fire department. Yes. We're here to check on you.
Go downstairs.
Should we do with the girls? That means that's the last one we're doing. Do one girl and that's it. Oh, it's gonna be hot. Fire department. Hey, how you doing? What with the fire department? I'll check your house.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Pussy ass shooting was that, bro? Fire department.
1 minute.
Hey, how you doing? What with the fire department? We're here to check your smoke detector. How you doing?
Alright.
Yeah, you're good. Nigga, why the f*** you all the way in the front? Let's go get the other nigga. Fire department. Hey, what's up? What with the fire department? Can we check your smoke detector real quick?
Oh, yeah.
What the fuck did you do? Bro, this your niggas kind of fucking school. This nigga ran.
Evacuate.
Don't run that way. And you did exactly what I said. Bro, come on. Fire department. Hey, how you doing? What with the fire department? We're trying to look at your thing real quick.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yo, hold on. Jimmy. I think your camera died. Fuck, I think your camera died. Go, quick, go. Let's go see if he's... It looks like something. What's good, yo? What's good? Yo, excuse me. Get the f*** out of here. Yo, get the f*** out of this. Get the f*** out of this.
Where the fuck you?
Yo, grab him, grab him. Where's the exit door? The door we came from. Bro, grab your stuff and let's go. I don't give a f. Bro, get your shit, let's go, bro. Yo, what the f? He didn't even talk to me. Remember we saw him walking down the hallway? I was calling him. I was like, yo, what's up? That nigga he ignored my.
I was thinking to myself, what did he do to make them niggas that mad?
We just gotta figure out the facts. That's it. All right. Like you gotta wait a sec. All right. You guys got IDs at all?
Nah, not on me.
No. All right. That's cool. It's shitty, but it's a conversation we need to have. And if anything, it's educational for you guys. All right. So maybe you can pick a different activity. Right. Play a sport. Go to the park. I don't know. Maybe there's other things you can do. Right.
A few moments later.
Chairs or bullets?
Sorry.
Chairs or bullets?
Sorry.
Yo, it was a joke, yo.
Yo, we trying to talk to you, bro.
Yo, it was a joke, bro.
They calling someone, bro. Bro, let's go. They calling somebody, bro.
Next door?
Hi.
Hey, how you doing? I wanted to ask if you have an extra chair we could borrow.
Extra what?
Chair.
No, I don't. Why do you need extra
Yo, we need to get the equipment off. Yo, relax. Play cool.
Hey guys, have you seen anybody running around with a Nerf gun by any chance?
No,
I'm really sorry. Somebody's not getting doors with a Nerf gun.
that's crazy.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Nice headgear.